Snares crested penguin play an important role in the ecosystem. They serve as predators to small fish, krill and squid while serving as an important prey to hookers, sea lions, brown squirrels and giant petrels.
Yellow Crested Penguin, or known as their scientific name Assidictus robertus, is an animal that lives near the south of New Zealand, the Antipodes Island and the Bounty Islands. Both islands have restrictions for human activities by the New Zealand government.
The yellow crested penguins has black upper parts and white underparts, with a yellow eye strip that extends over the eyes for a shot. Array crested, also known as their yellow eyebrow. Their eyes are red-brown in color and their bill is large and orange-brown. The penguin has an average length of about 60 cm and weight about 4 kg. The yellow crested penguin is a medium to large bird. Female penguins are usually smaller than males.
For penguins, yellow crested penguins are small to medium in size. However, are the heaviest of the crested penguin species and are the fourth heaviest extant penguin. Erect crested penguin, or known as yellow crested penguin, may live as long as 15 to 20 years long. The maximum age are 18 years.
While yellow crested penguins are not well studied, it is thought that they feed on small fish, krill and squid like other crested penguins species.
Yellow crested penguins lay 2 eggs. The second lay eggs and the subsequent chick is usually the larger of the two and usually the survivor. It typically hatches first or at the same time as the chick from the first laid egg. The first laid egg is often kicked out of the nest by the adults prior to hatching time.
Erect crested penguins are colonial breeders and typically forage in small flocks when close their breeding island.
They only come to land to breed and molt. Fighting over nests is a frequent occurrence at their colonies as prime nesting sites are often hard to come by and competition can be fierce.
An arrow-crested penguin is a very social animal, and these breeding birds communicate with each other using sounds as well displayed. Booing, mutual preening, swinging side to sides are some of the displays used by them.
A crested penguin is a social animal and always loves to live in large colonies. Their group is called huddle or colony.